bitch, but I can't stand myself. It's much bigger than me. But if I were you, I would hang out too. I love a girl like me. I would. If I were you, I would hang out too. I love a girl like me. Just a little ditty I put together myself. Ladies, are we ready to see a male stripper? That's definitely not loud enough. I'll see how loud you can get. Do you want the trousers on or off, girls? I said, do you want the trousers on or off? Do you want to see his little crewy set? Well, that's good, because so do I. Ladies, please welcome on stage one of my best friends, the fabulous Private